get the right puff puff that's looking round and attractive. Can you see the oil is translucent or transparent? Brand new oil. And then I literally scoop some to the corner like that. So it's nice and round, and then I drop it like a ball into the batter that way. There you go. Scoop it upwards. So if you look, you can see the butter. That's going to make it lumpy on the side, so I'm going to scoop that off. And then I come here and then I twist my arm so it drops, and leave it in the hot oil for about 5 minutes, turning it approximately every 30 seconds, and that way it doesn't burn on any side and it makes it nice and round. And then you see, this way, carry on, and then you get to see my hand motion. Yeah. Usually at this point I normally say, Siri, set the timer for 5 minutes, and then Siri will be like, okay, 5 minutes and counting.